Good evening, everyone. My name is Brijesh. For the past 8 years, I was working as a quality analyst in Wipro, and this year, in the month of Feb, I finally parted with a job. Uh, I do not have any idea of trading. Came to this particular training completely as a fresher, with only two things in my mind. First, the urge to learn, and the second, to make more money. Uh, Starting from the first day when I came into this particular training room, the things that I can remember that's taught us, very basics. First is making yourself a better person by having a discipline, having humility, having adaptability, and building a skill. But just having this will not help. In addition to this, you also need a very good financial strength. You also need emotional strength. You also need physical strength, because only a sound mind can survive in a sound body. And taking all these factors into consideration, eventually you can look ahead to go ahead and learn more about this particular field. The basic things that I learned were the ways to analyze the market using three basic systems: fundamentally, technically, and risk management. In fundamentals, I understood how to analyze a background of a company based on the book value, based on the market price, based on the P ratio, the PEG ratio, and apart from that, understanding the EPS and establishing a fair value of a particular stock, and accordingly placing your bet on that. When we went further into the technical aspect, things became much more interesting, with various systems coming into place. Before that, the very basic thing that came to place was the charts, the line charts, the bar charts, and most important, the candle charts. The candlestick charts was something that I only saw in pictures, but never knew what is the function of these charts. When Sir taught the systems, the Bollinger Bands, the Fibonacci, the pivots, and the ATR, ATX, that is when everything started making sense. Trends came into picture, which would help us understand exactly how the market is going. And very important things that I learned is always stick to the rules, never break the discipline. It is always in your hands to control your losses. Profit is something that the market will automatically give you. Apart from this, the various products, I only knew that there was only one product, stock, because everybody says stock market. But I now know that there are various products in stocks itself, like stock options, stock futures. There are index products, index futures options, commodity, a very different kind of product that I have never experienced before, and I could never think of trading crude oil or natural gas, or even agricultural products, metals, which is completely a very different area and a very good area that you can explore, and the considerable amount of profit it provides is excellent. Apart from that, the thing that I learned today, portfolio, that was excellent. I mean,